Hey everybody, David from Living Tech here. One of our subscribers is called Musk Tesla Car Accessory Company Limited, and they asked if our channel would be willing to do a review of their Tesla charging cable organizer. So I said yes, and they sent this to me a few days ago. So let's open it up. After that, we'll go and install it, and then I'll give you my first thoughts. Okay, so in the box, first thing is the organizer itself. And this is plastic injection molded, feels rock solid. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, or how close I can get, but it's got a little lip here for you to hang the cable from. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so first thoughts is it looks solid, exactly what you'd expect from the photographs. There is a wall bracket along with two drywall anchors and fastening screws. And this is a card, looks like with a little, whatever you call it, disc that rotates, and you can set it to the time that you're going to be finished charging at the supercharger. That's actually nice, because I don't know if you've ever gotten to a supercharger and it's full and there are 6 cars, say there out of 6, and you don't know when the first one's going to leave. This would tell you. Also, it looks like you can write your telephone number there, and so they can call you if need be. Very nice. Okay, so let's go and install this, and I'll give you my first thoughts. Okay, so I think I would like it to be, I'd like the top to be even with the, because I can. A little bit close to the charger, but I want to screw into a stud if I can. And therefore, screw into a stud if we can. So top of the device. Double check that, okay. Sounds like the stud's right there. Mark there. And then over glasses, and so show you this bracket. It looks like it just slides on. I may have said before, I didn't take it out of the package here, I'll show it to you. So, these 2 yellow anchors were provided, and 2 screws. So the screw will go through, well obviously, 1 screw goes through each. So, which is the top, which is the bottom is the question. Oh, it looks like there's, I don't know if you can see that. Looks like there's little push-out things here, so that could be like a locking mechanism, which it is. That's isn't quite locked, but you know what? It's perfect because it gives just, it's not supposed to lock. It gives just enough force that it's not going to want to come off, but when you want to get it off, you can just slide this up. So the answer is, this part is the top, right? So when we put it on, that means the center hole of the top screw, and it's sort of eyeball this, it's not super critical. So the center hole is 5 inches, center of the top hole rather, is 5 inches below this, which would be 5 inches below the line. So therefore, we're looking about 5 inches below there. I'll go like that. So that's my hole. I want the hole to be a little bigger than the screw anyway. So let's drill up. Well, this hole will be the pilot hole, I guess. Okay, let's give this a shot here. Doubt there will be any surprises. Just the way it is. Oh yeah, okay. That's fine too. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Okay. And this should just slide right on top and no surprises. That looks pretty good actually. Solid. Let's load this thing onto it. So this cable sort of, I think it'll relax into being, once it warms up into being like closer to the wall than this. But see, okay, I wasn't sure if I wanted this, to be honest, because the charger itself did a good enough job. Hanging the cable, and I was afraid this would just end up looking like a lot more messy. But this does seem to hold it off the wall better, and that does seem to stick in nicely. Okay, so my first thoughts. This is well made. It's nice to have sort of a more appropriate hanging mechanism than shoving the cable sort of in behind this. If I had my way, I'd have a product that sat on top of this, or somehow fastened itself to this, and had a nice, a more parallel to the ground holder for the cable. So this is great, it's solid. I love the way it mounts, super easy to install. And I think in a lot of cases, this would be a perfect solution for somebody. This is the part I don't like. So everything used to neatly fit in here, and now this is encroaching into the sort of into the room more than it needs to. This isn't going to break, and this isn't going to fall off the wall. Can't hang from it, but I mean, I could support. You could support a lot with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe, and please hit the notification icon so you'll be notified of our future uploads. Talk to you next time.